Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo. Well, we mentioned the two vehicles because they're practically built on the same platform. Things work about the same on both of these vehicles. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here, guys, at the garage, we'll be taking them completely apart and we'll show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you have, guys, a clunking noise or kind of like popping noise coming when you turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and then to the right, guys, and you do that and you hear a clunking, popping noise, something kind of like getting stuck, we will explain the top reasons for that. Make sure to stay until the end, we'll cover all that. And if you need to buy any parts tools to fix all that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get parts tools and you can save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have here. Now, on your suspension on your Fiat and Alfa Romeo, guys, many of the parts are practically interchangeable between different models. But if you look now, okay, this is the suspension, this is the strut, the shock, guys, right here, and it mounts to the body of the vehicle right there. Okay, that's the strut mount. Now, you have that special device, okay, it's known as a strut mount bearing. It's on top right here that allows the strut to move left and right, because when you turn the steering wheel, your tire will turn, which is attached to the strut right here, so the strut needs to turn as well. So you have a strut bearing on top. When that bearing fails or develops a play, crack sometimes, or the mount itself, that can develop, guys, okay, clunking, popping noises coming from the suspension when you turn the steering wheel. This is one of the most common things that we see here on other vehicles. Another thing, people, guys, often actually, what they will do, they replace the strut with a new one, but they install their old strut mount, okay, bearing, which is not the right thing to do because sooner or later they will fail. Another thing that can cause in some cases some noise, popping, clicking noise, could be sometimes bad tie rod end, okay, that can happen as well. And in some cases it could be the bushings on the control arm. Right there we have a bushing on the control arm. If they break, if they develop a lot of play, you can kind of like feel clunking as well because things will be moving, okay, when you're turning the steering wheel. If you want to see how to replace strut mount bearing on a car, we have the video on our channel that will teach you how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let us know, and see you guys next time.